Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading and setting up LocalWp, a powerful tool for creating a local host environment for WordPress websites. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official website of LocalWp. It's located at localwp.com. Once you're there, look for the download button, usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to begin the download. Depending on your operating system, you'll be redirected to the appropriate download page. For Windows users, you'll find the download link for the Windows version of LocalWp. Similarly, macOS users will find the download link for the macOS version. Click on the download link. You'll be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required details, including your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. This account will allow you to manage your LocalWp installations and access additional features. And the LocalWp installation file will start downloading to your computer. The file size may vary, so the download time will depend on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your computer's download folder or the destination folder you selected for downloads. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. I have already installed it. You follow the on-screen instructions to install LocalWp on your computer. You may be asked to choose the installation location and agree to the terms and conditions. Make your selections and proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, you can launch LocalWp. Look for the LocalWp icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click on it to open the application. When you open LocalWp for the first time, now it's time to set up your first local WordPress site. Click on the Create a New Site button or a similar option within the LocalWp interface. You'll be guided through the site creation process, which involves selecting a name for your site, choosing the desired environment, such as PHP version and web server, and specifying the site path where the WordPress files will be stored. After providing these details, click on the Create Site button to initiate the setup, and enter the username and password. LocalWp will automatically download the necessary files and configure the local host environment for your WordPress site. Once the setup is complete, you can click on the View Site button to preview your locally hosted WordPress website in your web browser. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up LocalWp on your computer, and you're ready to start building and testing WordPress websites locally. I will teach you how to start your WordPress website design in my next video. I hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the installation and setup process of LocalWp. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.